Today, I am so thrilled to announce the GA of Anypoint Code Builder for desktop, the future of development at MuleSoft. That's right. All right. Anypoint Code Builder is a consolidated developer experience in a single tool. It helps you design, develop, debug, and deploy all in the same place. It is also built on VS Code, which means that you have access to a vast ecosystem of extensions. And here comes my favorite feature. We'll bring the power of AI to MuleSoft with Einstein for Anypoint Code Builder. That's right. Einstein will help you use natural language prompts to create flows for you. Okay. Now let's take a look to see how it works. And before we do that, let's give a big shout out to my amazing demo drivers, Sue and Aridam. All right, as a developer myself, I'm always looking for ways to do my job easier and faster. Okay. However, there are some tasks that are seemingly mundane, but still takes a long time to do. For example, when a phone number is changed in Salesforce account, oftentimes it takes additional manual steps to propagate that phone number to other systems. And that can take hours to accomplish. Now, hours of time just to change a phone number, I hate to sound like an infomercial, but there's gotta be a better way. All right, Einstein is here to help. Let's go to take a look at this Anypoint Code Builder, and then let's start with Einstein by detailing the integration that we want to build. In this case, let's build an API that synchronizes a phone number in Salesforce account to a MySQL database. All right, you can see Einstein is thinking, and there it is. Einstein has generated code that matched my use case. And more importantly, Einstein also generated a set of descriptions that tells me what this code is doing. Let's go ahead and bring that into my project. All right, next, let's do some configuration to address these warnings. All right, so from the visual editor, let's take a closer look to see what Einstein has done for us. And clearly, you can see it's done a lot. To start off, Einstein started the flow with a HTTP connector, followed by a Salesforce connector with a query. So far, so good, right? All right, here comes the impressive part. Einstein has inserted a for each loop to address a scenario where multiple phone numbers are returned by my Salesforce query. And further down the line, you see that there is a condition component to address a scenario that the account object does not exist in my MySQL database. Pretty smart, don't you think? Notice none of this was in my original prompt. I think this means that Einstein is a better developer than I am. All right, so Einstein has done a great job getting us started. What if I want to add another system into this integration? Let's say SAP. Let's see how we can do that quickly. In Anypoint Code Builder, it is integrated directly with Anypoint Exchange, which is a library of pre-built assets like accelerators, connectors, APIs, and templates. All of these assets are built and maintained by MuleSoft to make sure that you can expedite your development even further. A new addition to our Exchange library is Accelerator for Data Cloud that helps you bring in critical business information into Salesforce Data Cloud for key industries like financial services, healthcare, and retail. Now, with all of these reusable assets at my fingertips, I should be able to complete my integration in no time. Let's go back to Anypoint Code Builder. From here, let's go directly to Exchange and look for a SAP connector. And once I find my SAP connector, let's configure it. And let's use a snippet to do this configuration. Snippets are simply reusable blocks of code that are very handy for repeatable tasks like these. All right, with my SAP system configured, this integration is ready to go. Let's go ahead and deploy this to the cloud and start using it. All right, from this point on, anytime a phone number is changed in your Salesforce account object, that phone number is propagated to the MySQL database as well as my SAP instance, all in real time. And notice I completed that entire integration from beginning to end in just a few minutes, thanks to the power of Einstein and Anypoint Code Builder. You can clap.